Welcome to day 10. We are continuing with building our 10K per month website. Day 10 of our 90-day challenge, where we are working to generate 10,000 per month US dollars. This is in US dollars, okay? We have a student working with us who is working on his not one, not two, but number three source of income. These are money machines, the little, what we call the mini money machines, okay? Or what we call, I don't like the word, but I'm going to use it anyway. It's the word that people call side hustles. So we talk about a minimum of 6 side hustles that can generate enough income to replace your 9 to 5s, okay? So you're going to start at least 6 of them, okay? So in the community, that's in the Smart Wolf Club community, that is our philosophy. We want to see all our members start at least to the minimum. The bare minimum is 6 sources of income. And why? I'm going to tell you. Because we have 3 key freedoms that we are fighting for. Freedom number 1, financial freedom. Now, you cannot achieve financial freedom by your 9 to 5, okay? However big your 9 to 5 is, because I know some of you make $1 million a year, $10 million a year, 9 to 5, working 9 to 5. You see, you either don't have the time to spend the money, or you don't have the location freedom. If you are 9 to 5, that means you're answerable to either your business, you're self-employed, or you're working for somebody who is paying you a lot of money, some senior executive, and so you're still answerable to, you're tethered, you have to be at a certain location. Somebody else decides, either it is the investors or shareholders. They still determine the type of life you're going to lead, even though you're making boatloads of money, okay? You don't have the time freedom, you don't have the location freedom. In the Smart Wolf Club, our philosophy, our journey is to get to a point where we enjoy these 3 freedoms, okay? Now, if you're interested in those 3 freedoms, then join us on this journey. This is a 90-day challenge. This is not our only challenge, okay? In the Smart Wolf Club, we talk about trading. We talk about trading everything. Literally, we trade everything from forex, stocks, crypto, even rice, even wheat, commodities, oil, metals like silver, gold. Come to forex, currency pairs, indices, the NAS 100, things like that, US 30, the crazy ones, the extremely volatile crypto, BTC, meme coins. So we have all types of coaches in the community, okay? And our coaches are from all over the world. Members have been in this community for many, many years. Some of us have been online since 1998. Okay, the question is, why are you not known? Why are you not famous? Well, we've been underground. We live and breathe this. We do this every single day, okay? Just during the pandemic, it really touched close to our hearts, and we decided, you know what, we're going to share some of our information, our knowledge with the masses, so we can help at least our brothers and sisters put bread on the table, okay? So it doesn't really matter how long we've been online. The best thing is to learn these 3 things, okay? We are only focusing on 3 freedoms: the financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. Financial, so you can replace your 9 to 5, so you can be wherever you want, anytime, when you have the time freedom and the location freedom. This is where you can be, one day you can decide, you know what, I'm going to be in New York. Next day you can decide I'm going to be in Europe. Next day you can decide I'll be on a safari in Africa. I'll be in South America. I'll be in Antarctica. I'll be in China. I'll be in Tokyo. I'll be enjoying the sushi, special sushi, in a small village in Japan, without having to worry about who's going to pay for the flights, who's going to pay for your bills, who's going to pay your mortgage, who's going to pay for your car, who's going to pay for your education, who's going to pay for your insurance. You have all this set up. And that is the journey. It's not something you're going to achieve right away, guys. Okay, don't get me wrong. And I'm going to put a disclaimer here. Whatever I'm going to share with you guys is not financial advice or investment advice. This is just our experience, guys. Okay, this is what we breathe and live and do every single day. We share our experiences. We are not professionals. Whatever you're going to do is very risky. Okay, you can lose your entire investment if you put any money. Like now, building this website, our budget was $100. You can lose your $100, literally. You can pay for all these things and not make any money. There's no guarantee that you're going to make any money, okay? The results that we share are not typical results, okay? This comes with a lot of practice, a lot of hard work, a lot of following rules, and a step-by-step process, okay? They're not get-rich-quick schemes anyway in the Smart Wolf Club, okay? So if you're looking for any of those magic wands or ching, no, we don't have that, okay? So please, it's going to require some work, it's going to require practice, it's going to require learning. At the moment, we are using AI, okay? I know a lot of people are scared of AI, artificial intelligence. When you hear that, people are afraid, oh, it's going to replace my job. Trust me, guys, the AI is not going to replace your job. What is going to replace your job is somebody who has sat his butt down and learned how to use AI. If you learn how to use AI, you're not going to lose your job. But if you don't, you will be replaced by somebody who has learned how to use AI. And you have to get out of that vicious cycle. If you didn't watch my previous video on day 8, I did talk about this, and I'm going to repeat this again because it is extremely important. It is crucial that this generation going on forward, that we all learn how to use AI, because AI is the in thing now. We are already taking advantage of AI. You know, sometimes you just speak to your phone. You say, Siri, call so and so, and it does that immediately. Sometimes you can even have a conversation. You can tell Siri goodbye, and it says goodbye back to you. People have Alexa in your homes. This is all AI. You know, it's voice recognition and some magic happening in the back, and it gives you an answer. A lot of you are aware of ChatGPT, but some of you are using ChatGPT to write emails, to answer quizzes, to ask questions. Like, can you write me an email to blah, 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 or can you write me a speech, things like that. You're forgetting that the power of AI, you can harness that and actually create some sources of income. And that's exactly what we are doing in this 90-day challenge. If that sounds like interesting, please join me. But before we go and I show you what we are doing today, I want to just say the two rules that we always apply, housekeeping rules we call it. Number 1, we're going to say a prayer. Number 2, we're going to put a disclaimer, which I've already done, but I'm going to repeat it. Because a lot of people get excited when they see stuff like this, okay? So in the belief of the power almighty, we pray whoever is going to apply this training, whoever is going to follow this challenge that might be successful. We pray this in the belief of the power almighty. Amen. Disclaimer, guys, whatever I'm sharing with you is not professional advice, investment advice, or any professional advice. There are no guarantees of results that you're going to make any money at all, and most likely you're going to lose money. When you go online or offline trying to use this, you can lose money, okay? It requires diligence, it requires learning, it requires practice, it requires experience, and it's going to require a lot of hard work on your part, okay? These are not great, rich, quick schemes, okay? With that out of the way, let us go. So I am here, okay? I'm on Google Gemini. You can go to gemini.google.com, and I'm going to ask Google Gemini. I'm asking them. I literally having a conversation with the AI. I don't like this the title from my YouTube video that I created that is teaching my students how to build a 10K per month content website with build an AI content website with a store selling digital products. Here is the title. So I'm just having a conversation, a really casual conversation. Here is the title. Can you suggest a better title for this video that will captivate and motivate many subscribers attract many likes and comments. Boom. Okay, so I let the AI go to work, and the AI is going to bring me some title options, and then just say select the best among all these suggestions. Okay, and it's going to give me the best. Here it is, and it says alright, so we're going to grab that. We will not even think, and we're going to go and use that as our title, because we are just creating. You see, this was only ranking as getting a 60 score. Let's see how much that is going to get. Let's see if that's going to get better. Yes, immediately there was an improvement. Okay, so now and then I'm going to ask it, can you write a video description that will match this title? Okay, so now we're going to get the video description done, and all we're going to do is just copy and paste onto. And now, why are we using Gemini? Gemini is a Google tool, AI tool. And you know Google is the largest search engine, and YouTube is closely related to Google. It's the third largest visited website in the world. Okay, so here we go. We can see. All right, so we have that. So we're gonna just copy this, and we are just gonna paste it. We're going to grab that, and we're going to paste it onto our description right here. We're going to tweak it a little bit, okay, because we have to add our own little things. Okay, so you see here it says the AI prompt guide I use. You can link it here. My preferred website host. We already have a digital store platform. We already have all those. So our preferred host, you know, is Hostinger. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put a link there, an affiliate link. You guys go ahead and sign up for Hostinger. You're gonna get a big discount, 20% off. And as if you guys have watched day 1 when we purchased our hosting, day 2, day 3, you can go and do that. So anyway, for us to get our Hostinger link, we just go to one of our previous videos, because we already have it there. And to make life easy, what's wrong? I don't know, it doesn't want to scroll. Alright, we can just go back here to, let's go here, we go to videos. And you can see, if we try to edit this video, the previous video, you can see. So we have a link here for you guys to join. Okay, so there are a few things we need from here. We need the AI website builder. It's this one right here, Hostinger. Okay, so we can go there. We copy that, and we're gonna go over here. Paste. Digital store platform. Again, we use Hostinger Horizons. This will, with a prompt, you can build your own. You can build your own store just by using AI. You tell it what to build, and it will do exactly what you say. So you guys, you're gonna get 20% off this tool right here if you use our. Okay, there you go. So just go there, guys, and build your store from there. Okay, and then AI prompt guide I use. Again, this you can get from our prompt guide. We already have it on our website now. You guys can go to our website that we just created, that we're actually creating, and it will give you let's publish this. The ProfitWellnessHub.com. If you go to Profit Wellness Hub, where it says AI, one of the articles we have actually given you prompts, how to come up with the prompts that are winning prompts that you can use to generate AI prompts. Okay, so here is the website that you guys have to go to, and if you come to AI tools, if you look at the latest posts, you see the recent posts here, ChatGPT prompts for maximum productivity. You can see this. If you guys go there, you can see here's a full article. Let's see if we can find it. The full article. Let's go. I think something happened. It truncated the efficient data is coming, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it kind of truncated the article. Okay, but we'll find the article is there if you're going to see it. There's prompts. Okay, I'll provide those with you guys. Okay, after this, I'm going to go ahead and put them here. They'll be under this prompt, so you can come to this wellness hub. So I'm going to attach that below here, and you guys can go there and copy the prompts. Literally, copy the prompts and use them for your own good. So I'm going to put that here for you guys. Okay, freebies and freebies. Okay. And we also download our guide, guys. Go ahead and download our 7-day guide, making $100. That guide is there for you to consume. Okay. Alright, so now it's taking shape, yeah? Okay, so again, the other things we need to add. Alright, we can do this again. We can copy this here from yesterday's and previous videos because you need that information. If you have not watched day 1, day 2, you can go ahead and watch that. We can put that back here. Okay, so we're going to put it down here. Steps, action, research. Okay, here you go. Alright, so let's put that here. If you want to watch day 1, okay, so it's right there. This was day 7, so we need day 8. So we're going to put day 8 here, because this is day 9. So the day 8 one is that one. So we're going to copy the link, because you're going to need the link. It's this one here. And we're going to go back. And this is day 8. Paste it there. So that's how we're building this for you guys. And then start from day 1. That means the playlist. Okay, go and watch this playlist. Trust me, it's going to be very useful to you. Okay, here we're going to put our channel subscription link again. So we go back. And that should be, where is the channel subscription link? There we go. So let's see if we can find it. It should be somewhere. Oh, maybe it's not there. Subscribe. Okay, here you can join the Smart Wolf Club. Okay. In the Smart Wolf Club, guys, if you need somebody to work or one-on-one with you on any of these tools, platforms, you want to learn how to actually do this one-on-one, you can join our community and join our masterclasses. Under the digital masterclass, you're going to learn all this. We're going to have an AI tools masterclass, AI, automation, artificial intelligence, a masterclass. This is basically going to focus on AI tools, okay? And we're not going to overwhelm you with million tools because there's always new ones. We're going to just cherry pick the ones that you need to get started, make you successful, okay? That's the goal. You learn a few of them, you implement, you learn, you implement, because this is a very dynamic field. guys, you're gonna learn very quickly. The AI evolves very, very fast. What the tools they are using today, they're not gonna be used tomorrow. Okay, so you gotta change some of these writings from the AI, make it your own. Okay, so there we go. So and now we are looking for a link to our channel. Let me see if I can find it in one of these videos. One of the videos should have the link to subscribe. Okay, we can connect with us here. The disclaimer plus connection, this is very important, so we're going to copy that. We'll go here. This is how we build our website and then the marketing of it using YouTube. So we're going to say connect with us here. With us meaning the Smart Wolf Club. And you can join the Smart Wolf Club right here anytime. You can join our Telegram groups, WhatsApp, and you can email us anytime, info@smartwolfclub.com if you have any questions. Okay, and then the keywords, we go back to Gemini and we can get the keywords. They're right here. You can see the keywords. These are the hashtags. Okay, the hashtags are right here. So we're going to go back. Everything is given to you, my friend, by the AI. So there we go. Hashtags, we're already in there. They help with ranking to your video, so YouTube algorithm can know where to place your video, who to show your video. People are searching for Google, Gemini, ChatGPT, how to make money. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. The only thing we need now is the link to our channel, so people can subscribe. That's what I'm looking for here. Let's see, I'm going to try to find it here in one of the previous videos. Let's see if this video has the link. Yeah, here we go. Right, so here is a subscription. Alright, so we can go back and where it says join our channel. Right there. And we're going to paste that there. Okay. Alright, so I think we are done with this. This should be ready to go. It has everything. It has a disclaimer. Okay, now we need a thumbnail. So again, so this is how, guys, we are spreading the word about our channel. And that's the same way we are spreading the word about our website that we just created. How are we going to drive traffic to the website? Because that's one of the questions people are asking. You're building a website. Okay, this is day 10. Okay. Once you have the content there, how people are going to know about it? This is one of the ways. Just creating these videos. Already you guys are aware there is a website known as ProfitWellnessHub.com. It's a hub where you can find all the information about AI tools, finance, and wellness, health and wellness. Okay, because we realize AI tools are the in thing right now. Finance is the main thing. We talk about financial freedoms. AI is going to help us get there, and we are using it as a tool. AI is a tool to make our work easier. It's a workhorse. We put it to work so we can save on time. Because the idea is to free ourselves as much as possible, free our time. Because again, we believe in. Okay, let's change this love thing to a finger pointing this. And we're going to paste that there, and we're going to push this down here. Okay? So now people can subscribe there. So this is where they subscribe. So you guys go ahead and subscribe. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. The idea is when you subscribe, the YouTube algorithm shows this to many people. And this is invaluable knowledge, okay? Learning how to use AI to make your work easier. So we are using AI to actually create a video. This video is going to help our website get visitors, because when somebody watches this video and they're curious about this Profit Wellness Hub, they're going to visit the Profit Wellness Hub, because from there you're going to learn about AI tools, the ChatGPT prompts, the prompts that you can use to generate whatever you like. You're going to learn how to write the best prompts, because the best prompts separate the winners, people who win in AI and those who do not. Is if you learn how to create the right prompt, if you learn how to ask the AI the right questions, you're going to get the right answers. Most people don't get the right answers because they don't know how to do the prompts. So we show you on that website, step by step. We give you examples, the different types of prompts. Okay? So anyway, let's go back to Gemini and let's see if we can get a prompt to generate, give us a prompt for AI to generate a YouTube thumbnail for this video that is engaging, captivating, and scroll stopper. We don't want people scrolling away, so they see this and they're going to generate. Okay. Alright, so okay. So we're gonna grab this. Okay, we're gonna grab this. We're gonna grab this and then we're gonna go to Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is another app that we use for free. It gives you enough daily credits to create the images that we want, the thumbnails. Okay, so we just go to Leonardo.ai. Okay, and we're gonna select that, remove that, and then type that prompt that we got from Gemini, and we are going to generate the image right there. So it's generating the image. Let's see what image we're gonna get. And then we take that to Canva and convert that into a YouTube thumbnail. So we go to Canva. Canva is another AI tool. I can put the link for Canva down here. If you want to use the professional pro version, gives you a lot of more features. But if you're on a tight budget, you can use the free form of Canva. Okay. So anyway, we are creating a YouTube thumbnail. That one. We got Canva and we are waiting for the image to be created. There we go. There is the image. We're gonna look at the one that we like. I think I like this one. $10K. I think I like this one. Alright, let's go with that one. It just brings the curiosity out. So we're gonna go to uploads. Whatever we downloaded, we're gonna upload that right now. It's right here. Okay, you're gonna put it here. You're gonna make it background. Okay, so set it as background. And then we're gonna put our my face there. I don't know, I have a little image of me here. Let's see, where's my picture? Let's scroll down, my picture all the way down. Yeah, I go through a lot of students learning, so there's a lot of resources in here. So let's see if we can find a picture of us that we like. Here it is, one of the pictures. So we're gonna add this here. There we go. Okay, we can probably shrink it a little bit. There we go. So it just looks cool. There we go. And then we're gonna put the title, just for the sake of rankings on YouTube. So we're gonna name it, download it. It's done, guys. In less than 5 minutes, we have the title that we like, that's gonna rank very highly. We have the description done. You know, you can imagine if you're doing it the old manual way, you'll be typing and for hours trying to come up with a nice description, typing and things. But with AI, it's just a prompt and it gives you the description. There we go. And now we are creating content for our website, and we're spreading the word for our Profit Wellness Hub. Okay, in a nice way. Okay, not spamming anybody. We are not forcing anybody to go there, but we just mention. We tell them we are giving you quality. We are giving you quality information. We are giving you. In exchange for you visiting our website, we are going to give you something of value. We're going to give you the prompts for AI. You're going to learn how to do your own prompts that will separate you from somebody who knows how to use AI and somebody who does not. Okay? There we go. So again, we go upload our thumbnail, which has already downloaded. It's right there. It's in our downloads. And there is our thumbnail. Okay? Most people will not understand it, they're going to miss the point, but the idea is it arouses curiosity. When somebody sees it, they'll be wondering, what is that? Okay? And that's what we are looking for. So it's a stopper. It's supposed to stop them from scrolling. Okay, that's the playlist. Okay, no, this is not AI generated content. It's literally me speaking here. Okay, the keywords. So now the keywords are right here. You know, Gemini gave us the keywords. And what a perfect way of getting keywords. We're getting them from Google itself. Okay, so here are the keywords. So we're going to copy all these keywords. Okay, we're going to copy these keywords. And we're going to dump them here on our YouTube video section where it says tags. We're going to add tags. You can add up to 500 characters. Okay, so we are at 252, so we can put some generic ones like these ones. Refresh. Okay, we can do that. Digital okay, business tips. We are almost there, guys. AI, make money, digital products. We are almost there. There will be many more down here. We can continue refreshing the tags and we will get new ones. There we go. There we go. There we go. We went past, so we're going to remove that. Exactly 500, guys. Wow. Or we can tell Gemini to give us more. Okay, we come here and say, give us more. Give us more keywords to rank this video highly on YouTube. So it's gonna give us more. So we're gonna copy these, go back. So the ones that don't have any, see these ones, let's remove these. Let's remove all these and put only the ones that we've been given by Gemini. paste. Okay, so we're moving on. Okay, so maybe we can use one of these because we still have some make money online. There we go, $4.99 exactly. All right. So then here, language, we're gonna choose English. Depending on what language your channel is, you can just use English. A lot of people speak English. I want to understand English. Location, you can choose whatever location you want it to be. I like to use US because a lot of people from the US. Now the titles, again, I just go back to Gemini and I'm just gonna grab the titles because it tells you exactly what people are gonna learn in this, and that will be my titles. Okay, what you will learn in the 10K blueprint: how to use ChatGPT to transform content funnel secrets. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so we're gonna grab that and we'll go up here. Gemini. So imagine if you had no idea of what content to create for your website to drive traffic to your website on YouTube. You could come here and ask these guys to give you a YouTube blueprint that you can use to create content for a certain video, whatever video you want, whatever topic, and it can even suggest the topics for you. You can give it the title of your website, like Profit Wellness Hub, and just give it a brief description of what the website is all about, and they're going to generate video scripts for you, and you can just read those out in front of your camera or anything and upload that to YouTube. And then in the process, you can mention your website. People can go out and check out your website. Okay, you just link your website and folks will go and check your website. Content funnel secret. So the content funnel, you guys, this is exactly what we are building. It's a content funnel. We have content on our website and we are using all social media. We are using YouTube and others to drive traffic to this website. Okay, and when they go there, they can purchase our digital products. We're going to have a full functional store which we are working on. You saw yesterday we created a digital product, a planner for very busy professionals. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so we have done optimization and we are good to publish this. We're going to set it as a premiere and it's going to premiere right away. Okay, so that's going to premiere right away, and then we're going to share that on the social media. That's how we spread the word. Okay, so we can spread that. We're going to share that on Pinterest. We're going to share that on, we'll share that on X. We're going to share that on Pinterest. Again, we're going to share that on Pinterest. We're going to share that on Blogger. So we're going to go to Blogger. Smart Wolf Club Blogger, we're gonna go there, and again we're gonna share that right there. Everything is being done right in front of you guys. Nothing is hidden. I told you guys, we don't hide any cards. We show you exactly what you're supposed to do. All you have to do is just copy. Okay, if you can't copy, then I cannot help you. I can help you if you join the masterclasses, then we can copy for you. If you can't copy, we'll just copy for you. All right, so you can do all this. This is called this is a flywheel phenomena, guys. Okay, you're gonna spread the word everywhere. We're gonna go to Mix, all the social media platforms, and we will spread this. Okay, so there is a video. It's gonna premiere in 1 minute, but we already have it here. Just give it a moment and it's gonna premiere right here. You can see that we just created that. So in the next 1 minute you guys can be the first to watch this. Okay, there you go. Tumblr. Okay, you can go to Tumblr and let it pop, and we're gonna post it there. Okay, so all the members we have in Tumblr, they are going to watch this. Okay, you can again go to a Facebook, somebody's Facebook group. My student has a Facebook group. I think they can go there and share that. Okay, so we're going to share that on groups. We're going to share that on groups. Here we go. So again, we're going to look for this content right here. Okay, we're going to copy that. We're going to go there. So you don't even have to think, guys. There you go. And then we're going to put this, and then put the link to the video, which is this one. And we're going to put it right there. We'll let it pull the video. It is, and that's posted on YouTube. So share it on YouTube. So this gives your link authority, which helps with ranking the videos. Okay, so that's done. I think you can share all these, WhatsApp, Reddit, if you have a Reddit. We have not created a Reddit for this Smart Wolf Club, but for the Profit Hub, we're going to create all these. Okay, we will create everything. Okay. Okay, so just showing you guys how you spread the word. So once we have that done, now we are good to go and see what the video is saying. So this video does mention our website. Learn how to use AI. Now, after you learn, okay, my brothers and sisters, so the video does make sure you mention the website, so we can what you have learned, we can apply the website right here, because I know most of us are stuck in this vicious cycle of perpetual. We can pin learning down there. Learn right now. Learn. You never stop learning. It's a cycle, vicious. And then we stop doing. We never do anything. We just continuously learn because AI is moving so fast. Every day there's a new application, there's a new feature, there's something new, and we never stop learning. So the best thing is to decide. Okay, I have learned enough. I'm going to put this to use. I learn how to use this tool, how to use this AI application, so how put it to use. This like some of you have learned how to use TikTok and make videos, and you're good at that, rank highly, then you take advantage. Some of you have learned how to use Instagram and share all your pictures. So right now, then make advantage there going on. Let's go back to our website and we continue. Make you some with building the website. You learn that and you apply. Learn, apply. So that's the goal. Article. So right now, so it's truncated the article. We are looking at this one here. I can just show you what AI has become. Okay. So you create a video, for example. Okay, guys, we're gonna go back into day 9 because this is day 9. Okay, to the day 9 corresponding of our 90-day challenge. So day 9, we're gonna be putting content cards on our and latest website, the money machine number 3 posts, okay, on the homepage. So make sure this description ranks very highly. So we are leveraging AI navigation. So I'm just telling you, 15-year YouTube video ranking and optimization expert. Okay, this is very important. 1,000 word. Okay, so you're making the AI articles, either it's ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay, so we use both. For ease of now, we use Google Gemini because you know Google it's 1,000 word is the largest search engine out there. Okay, so you go to Gemini, Google. So I'm gonna right there, and you're gonna ask Gemini the same. So we use the same prompt. Okay, I'm just gonna have the same prompt, and then I'll just tell you to update this on Gemini. Update. All right. So I just read the article, the prompt here. You are 15-year 1,000 YouTube video ranking and optimization expert. Now write the best YouTube video description for a video titled Day 8 of Building a 10K Website with AI. Okay, make sure this description ranks very highly on YouTube and attracts many subscribers and captures many likes. Okay, now these are some of you guys who are into video making and captures many. Guys, go and like this. You see that button there? Go and click that button. Comments. So you can like that, and then also hit share. So we're gonna push that and let's see what it says. So hit share. And then if this is day 9, so see, if you haven't watched, that's an exciting project. As a 15-year YouTuber, just exactly jumping onto this video and wondering what is this views, you can watch subscribers and engagement here. Start from here is a ranking optimized for your video title day 8 of that. It's going to show you all the videos, so you can see how you can start from day 8, day 7, day 6, day 5. How we are building this from day 1 right here. It tells you the idea, how we came up with the idea, how we built the website, hosting, how we did the hosting, how we are doing the blogger and the store. Everything is on here. So guys, you can go and watch that and follow step by step and implement exactly what you see. Okay. And then you also learn how we are using AI to generate these. So it shows you everything that's. And then let's go to ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT gives us. So we're going to push that. And let's see. Alright. Man, they're actually looking almost the same. They start with about the same. And you can see. You can see what's going on here. Okay, you can see it's telling you it may take a minute. Okay, so the AI is actually updating. So we can close all this. Canva, Leonardo, we don't need it anymore. Okay, so we don't need that anymore. Okay. So this is the video that you guys are watching right now, day 9. So it's basically, if you missed looking at this day 8, day 7, go and watch those other days. So this is day 9, we're going to day 10. Okay. So let's see what's going on. Have we expanded the articles? Not yet. We are waiting for the AI to finish. It's almost done. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to do all the articles because there were many. But you know, it will take you weeks to write an article. If you hire a ghostwriter, they take a couple of days to even write the articles for you. Okay. Okay, so you can see that's the one got a message here. Bitcoin just hit the lowest, and then for the season, one Bitcoin, guys, is going for 102 now. 102,088. That is 2 hours ago. So how is it? How much is it right now? We can check. Okay, so you can see here it says buy. So this would be the best time to buy. Our signal has come in saying buy. So for all of you who want to get into Bitcoin, it says buy. Okay, it's saying here it's going down and it says buy. Going to paste that, so buy points, and then when it sells, when it tells you to sell, you sell. Buy and sell. Buy and sell. So today it's saying buy. So right now you just go to your whatever you use, whatever tool you use for, and you can buy and sell. Okay, so I'll go on there. So you have to proofread it a little bit and correct it. The signal says buy. It just came through right now. Alright, so there we go. So now we're creating the video. It came in at around 11 o'clock, about an hour ago. It says buy. So we're going to link all these things here. Robinhood or your Coinbase or Cash App or Bybit or Kraken or BitGet, whatever app you use for buying your crypto. You go and buy crypto. Oh, I think it copied everything. So it says buy Bitcoin. Okay, so it says buy Bitcoin. You want to buy Bitcoin. No, we don't want that. Remove that. Okay, so we want that. You know what? Let's. So it says buy Bitcoin, and you can set is market order. Market order means right now because it's telling you to buy Bitcoin right now. Alright, we can use this one. I think this one here has shown us. Okay, so buy Bitcoin. So we bought some of that. Okay. And then when it says sell, so we're gonna set the alert here. I'm gonna go alerts, notify, create an alert. BTC USD price crossing. Paste that there. Boom. Expiration. We can change this to never to expire, or we can push it for it not to expire. Okay, so there we go. 2 months ahead. And we're gonna be notified. We're gonna put the link here. And then day one, we're gonna notify the app. Okay, so we're gonna create that. So we're gonna go to our videos, and this is. Oh no, that's not what we're trying to do. Grab that. Okay, so that's not what we're trying to do. Right there, day 7, and then this is day 1. Condition is this. We are using that signal. Start from day 1. We're gonna have here. Okay, same as chat. The playlist. So here's the playlist. It's this one actually right here. We're gonna just paste that there. Okay, alert function. Okay, as you see how easy that is. We're almost done with the description. We're just gonna copy a few things from this one, like the disclaimer, our contacts. Okay, like this, resources mentioned in the video. Create that. Actually, yeah, we can just copy everything from here. So 4 hours. Yeah, interval is 4 hours. And this is the stuff that is always constant, like the resources that we have talked about. It's the same. We are using also. So when the alert comes, AI content creation. Okay, so we have created that. It's active now. Are there. So we can go to our app and make sure that's activated. So we go to our TradingView app. Alright, so there we go. And then we're gonna ask the AI to give us a let's go back because I already showed you guys what to do. This is a just by the way. Okay, so TradingView, let's see if we can get the alerts. Okay, let's go. It's BTC USD, there it is. We're gonna add that. Okay, it's now 101. Then we go to our notifications and make sure we have all set up. Go to settings, close. Watch list, chat, explore. Okay, settings should be here. Push notifications, yep, we want them to alert. You want that? A goose? You guys like that? This is on the TradingView app. So if We like that one. Okay, so we leave it at alert. So the alert is on. Symbol alerts. Okay, so when someone no, that's when if our stuff has been met. Okay. So if our stuff has been met, then that's how we're gonna get the alert. Okay, so okay, so the indicators are these little things here we put here to help us. Okay, so we have an indicator here, this one right there, buy sell Yash Gode 9, this one right here. Okay, we're following him. So we have it on our BTC USD, this one right there. Okay, so Yash Gode is here, and now it's saying buy. If you guys can see, it does say buy there, okay? And that's exactly what we have here. So it replicates whatever we have. So now we've already bought, so we are waiting for the signal to tell us to sell, and we're going to sell and pocket the difference, okay? So today it says buy, and you can see why. This is like the lowest point ever so far in a very, very long time for BTC USD. You can see we went past that point, and we are down here, and you can see the arrows are already forming from the bottom. There's a shadow. So this is a bonus for you guys, okay? Anyway, let's see if Hostinger has finished your preview. Okay, so we're going to publish that. So we're going to publish. And hopefully, don't worry, it takes time to publish a lot of code that worked on there, and I'm going to leave, guys, and tomorrow we will continue, guys. So it's like we're giving you a daily update, day 8, okay? So let's go to that website, and you guys should visit the website and see for yourself, see if you like, so I can get some comments. Okay, I think it looks good at the moment, so I'll stop here and we will continue tomorrow, guys. Cheers. Power. 3 freedoms, right? Financial, location, and time. Never waste your time. Never let anybody waste your time, guys. Run. That's my advice.